time!
Yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this Ben 10 episode, I will show you guys my new Omnitrix machine made out of cardboard. Now before that, I'd like to give a massive shout out to SpideyFan175 for giving me the idea to make this cardboard creation. If you guys have another cool invention in mind that I could make, you know what to do, just comment it down below and I'll try to see which comment has the most votes, okay? Anyways, I'll give more shout outs in the end of this video, so stay tuned and hopefully enjoy the show. For the machine's design, we have here the Ben 10 logo, a few Omnitrix symbols here and there, and a screen and a keypad, both of which do not have any connection with the mechanism, but they do improve the overall look of the machine and, well, make it look like a machine. I had installed a few LED lights into the machine to level it up and basically just lit up the displayed Omnitrix for us to see more clearly. This machine is made entirely from cardboard and is one of the easiest crafts in this channel since its mechanism is just super simple. You simply grab the card, choose any Omnitrix you want, you can push the buttons for fun but that doesn't really work, then insert the card under the Omnitrix you've chosen, which then pushes the watch to fall from its compartment. Simple yet cool. By the way, if you want to make the Omnitrix shown in this video, you can visit my channel for more DIY Ben 10 creations. I provide a free template for you to work with so that it'll be much easier for you to create your own Ben 10 creations. I won't be uploading a tutorial on how to make this machine since it's super easy to make and I don't know if you guys would even be interested, so instead, I'll just show you what the inside of the machine looks like. The main goal of this channel is to inspire and encourage you guys to unleash your creativity. With that said, it makes me really happy to see all these creative Yo fam showcase their DIY inventions. Salute to all of you, and I hope there will be more Yo fam who will share their DIY inventions in the future. If you're planning to be one of them, feel free to DM me on Instagram and send me a photo of you and your creation. I'll be very happy to feature it in one of my future videos, so go ahead. Yeah. I think that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the little cinematic clip in the intro. I'm obviously a beginner, but progress is still progress, right? Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.